Hello, this is the firebrand Manoj Kumar Patel. We have come to the third part of the communication on hidden cost. One of the important aspects of having a chemistry laboratory is to determine the purity of unknown chemicals. There are instrumental methods available to get this done too, but sometimes it becomes economically unjustified to go for the instrumental methods. Say, for example, the determination of the concentration of sodium chloride in an aqueous solution that also contains other non interfering salts. Under such circumstances, it is prudent to go for the conventional wet method of chemical analysis. The vital factors that come into play are titration, normality of the titrant, and indicators to carry out the titrations. In this small video, we shall discuss about the normality of solutions, and we will also discuss about its importance and how it can eliminate hidden cost in the internal business process. We shall come across the terms and terminologies like stock solution, solute, solvent, gram equivalent weight. Chemicals and reagent preparation is very crucial for any test. We must prepare chemicals and reagents to get the accurate test results. Unless these are accurate, the whole thing goes haywire and we end up losing ex- expensive materials as well as cost. The bottom line of the business gets hit. The preparation of 0.1 N silver nitrate solution used to determine the concentration of sodium chloride is tedious but has to be diligent in the steps to be followed. So, in this context, solute and solvent. A solute is the material that is dissolved in a liquid. In the aqueous solution, salt in water, the salt is the solute and the water is the solvent. The common examples of solvents are water, ethanol, methanol, and acetone. Gram equivalent weight is equal to the mass in grams, numerically equal to the equivalent weight of the chemical. This is very important to prepare standard solutions. Stock solution. In chemistry, a stock solution is a large volume of common reagents such as hydrochloric acid or sodium hydroxide at a standard concentration. Stock solutions can save a lot of time, rather saves a lot of time, conserve materials, reduce needed storage space, and improve the accuracy with which we prepare solutions and reagents. Normality is very important and is the concentration of a solution. Normality is the number of gram equivalent of solute that is present in 1 liter of solution. So the unit of normality is gram per liter. It is abbreviated as N and is sometimes referred to as the equivalent concentration of a solution. It is mainly used as a measure of reactive species in a solution and during titration reactions or particularly in solutions involving acid-base chemistry. As per the standard definition, normality is described as the number of grams or mole equivalents of solute present in 1 liter of a solution. When we say equivalent, it is the number of moles of reactive units in a compound. The formula to determine the normality is number of gram equivalent of the solute divided by volume of the solution in liters. 1 N sodium hydroxide solution means molecular weight of sodium hydroxide is 23 for sodium plus 16 plus oxygen plus 1 for hydrogen, that is 40. So 40 gram of sodium hydroxide in 1 liter of water gives 1 N solution. Here we will put a small question to the viewer. How many gram of sodium hydroxide in 1 liter of water will give 0.1 N sodium hydroxide solution? So, the very purpose of deliberating these facts in this video are that we need to know the exact way of preparing standard solution so that other input materials which we use in the production process are assessed on the basis of the standard solutions. So a slight variation in the normality of the solution can give us an erroneous result, and in the process we may lose valuable material, the material which we purchase at a cost. So this hidden cost can be eliminated only when the standard solutions prepared in the laboratory and used are accurate. I hope we have conveyed the message of eliminating hidden costs through analysis, chemical analysis in the laboratory, and the punchline is the concentration or the normality of the standard solution has to be perfect. This much for this time. See you soon again. Bye.